So we actually picked up the MAXSHINE M0312 V2. So the original was out of stock for a while. Sorry for people that were looking for it, but we actually waited because the new one came out and I was like, you know what, we gotta get it. So obviously you get this nice little kind of canvas case to it. So we're gonna spin this baby around and you still get obviously the machine. You get the 2 batteries. I have the machine 1 battery on here. The one thing that they added that's a little bit different than last time is now you have a battery indicator, and this one obviously needs to be charged. The old one, you didn't really know when you were gonna be charged. There was a meter on it, but it didn't really say too much on it. So now you have the indicator on there. You have your charger, like I was saying, and then they give you the same, like this is for the 3mm throw. So what you got to do is this cover comes off and then you're able to use these little wrenches they give you to pull this out to change the throws and to change the backing plate. So right now we have the 2-inch backing plate installed, but this is the 1-inch backing plate, and this all comes in the container, the bag that it comes in. One thing too is it also has the extension little part, so if you want to get in those real tight areas on wheels, you're able to. So now MAXSHINE, they also give you all the pads. So I took all the pads out just to kind of show you what comes in here. So you get 1-inch pads along with your 2-inch pads, but you get a full set. So your red's gonna be your ultra fine polishing, yellow's gonna be your polishing, and then they give you 2 sets of the wool cutting pads. So those all come in the box. So this kit essentially makes it so you're ready to go. Now, when it comes to the tool itself, they changed the actual design of it. The one thing that they added was a little screen here on the back. So it's off when you're not using the tool, but when you pull the trigger, it pops up and it will tell you. So now, if anyone used the old tool, you would know that this was an A, B, C, D, E, F for some reason, but the new version, they went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you can say, hey, I'm running on this thing at a speed of 6. So I like that now it shows you the RPMs, your battery level, everything's on there. This kept the same torque as the old tool. I always thought that the MAXSHINE version was a little bit better than, say, for instance, no offense to Rupes, but the Rupes tool, this had a little more grunt. You could do a little bit more heavier polishing with this and not have the machine bogged down. We also have a lot of customers that love this tool because you can do it in a rotary mode. So if you have like little dirt nibs in a body shop or something that you want to get out real fast, you can sit there and focus on a little area. Plus, since it's battery powered, I mean, you can go out in parking lots and get small scratches out. Heck, we've even gone out in the parking lot here and gotten little scratches out of customers' cars that say they don't want to take it somewhere. I'll go and take it out for them real quick, and they're pretty amazed that we have a battery powered tool. Now, the biggest question that a lot of people ask is, well, how long does the battery last? Both of these things are rated for about 40 minutes of use, and it takes about 40 minutes for this to actually charge. So if you always have a battery charging, you kind of have unlimited use. You really don't have any excuse as far as, how long, I'm not gonna be able to polish the whole car out. Well, these things aren't really made to be polishing a whole car. This is gonna be for tight areas, especially on some of the newer Teslas or on emblems. And heck, if you have a Land Rover with the tons of piano black, or even some of the new Audi S8s that have piano black everywhere, you want to polish that out, this is the tool for you, because you can sit there and polish everything out. You don't got to worry about the cord dragging anywhere, and this little tool is like your little secret weapon. So plus, when you go to a customer's house and you got this bag, you're like a doctor, you're a doctor of paint. It looks really good. So you can pick this bad boy up here at a store. The first couple sold out real fast. I wasn't able to make a video for it right away, but we have 2 and a couple in stock right now. I'm able to show everyone the tool, but you can pick this up at our store at 901 Mountain Ave in Springfield, New Jersey, or order it on our website at www.detailingworldnj.com.